This is Veed.io. Very nice. Anyway, let's continue. It is like the Swiss Army knife of online video editing. It is packed with tools and features that make video creation a breeze. Whether you want to trim, add subtitles, or even generate automatic transcripts, Veed has got you covered. We give it an 8.5 out of 10, even though because it's a very powerful and versatile video editor. It's great for beginners and experienced editors too. The free plan is a good starting point, but you need to upgrade to unlock the full potential of Veed. Key benefits are ease of use because of its user-friendly interface with a drag and drop functionality. It also has automatic transcription and subtitles in multiple languages. It has a good selection of templates and customization options, and helpful resources and a responsive support team. Now the pricing are the free plan. When it comes to pricing, we have the free plan, which is limited features and it also has a watermark. The basic plan we pay $10 per month, pro plan $50 per month, business plan $20 per month, and enterprise where you have to contact the customer care for pricing. Okay, for the sales team, you have to contact the sales team for pricing and details. Now the cons are the usual. Some advanced features requires a paid premium plan, and the free plan is quite limited.